Hi guys, I'm here today to talk to you about my new email list building starter kit. This is the ideal kit for somebody who is completely new to email marketing, is overwhelmed by the whole process, and just wants a simple solution to start capturing email addresses. So I designed this. It includes a 30-day free trial to Aweber, which you don't have to use, but if you want to try it out, they are my preferred email platform. So it includes that as well as 3 different versions of a customizable template, a thank you, and an autoresponder with a call to action. So if you either are overwhelmed with the technical side or overwhelmed with copy or just don't know what to say, this is exactly who this is intended for. So I know that now more than ever, it's so important to reach out and connect with our community in any way possible. And so we are doing an introductory free trial for $39 just to get this into your hands so that you can continue focusing on growing and nurturing your people and building out that email list. Thanks so much, and I hope that you find this useful.